Könnt ihr mich jetzt hören?
Hallo Verena, nice.
Hallo.
Hello.
Hallo.
How are you doing? You are loud and clear. And like in 3D, very big, very nice. So we have some people with us now. So there is Harald somewhere. I don't know where he is. Cosma, hello Cosma. But you has a Saturn ring here. Yeah?
She's an angel.
Okay. Oh, glasses. Yeah, Verena, you see, Cosma makes everything now. Yeah. So this is a short moment to take tests bevor we start. Verena, wir wollen also in ca. 5 Minuten offiziell starten. Ein paar sind schon drin. Wir werden das Meeting dann erstmal wieder unterbrechen und starten ein neues, damit wir nicht unterwegs weg sind. Aha, Cosmo macht Spaß. Ja, hello David, how you doing? Hello David, ¿cómo estás?
Hello.
Oh, what is this? Pyramids.
It's Wakanda. No, it's Asgard.
Okay, so welcome David from Tech Monterrey in Cuernavaca, Mexico. Hello Mexico. What is the temperature in Mexico?
Right now it is a little cold for Cuernavaca. It's about 20, 25 maybe.
Okay. A little cold is in Germany means 0. No? We have 0 degrees now.
I know.
Cook water. It's freeze. Well, maybe some hello in Spain language to Valeria.
Yes.
Yeah.
Habla español.
¿Qué tal tu estancia allá en Leipzig?
Muy interesante, estoy muy contenta, muy entretenida, tengo muchos retos, mucho trabajo.
Qué bien.
Okay, very nice. So, there we have Verena. Verena, hello, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Verena and I'm from Berlin, Germany, and I'm in the Isei since 2016, I think, so quite a long time now. And I've been to the NASA Rover Challenge about 4 times now, I think, and one time I was the driver.
Okay, David, you see, this is our girl driver, no? Okay. Verena. So, Cosma, hello Cosma. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Cosma. I'm now 13 years old, and I'm here on the Rover Challenge since I'm a baby. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Cosma. Thank you. So, Cosma and Verena wants to make her first CAD course today. We have also Needy in our line. Needy, are you there? Hello, Needy.
Yes, Mr. Ralf, I'm there.
Okay, we cannot see you, but you have a very nice voice.
Thank you. Actually, internet connection is a little low here, so
okay.
That's the reason I'm...
Okay, this is... what is the air pollution now?
Sorry, can you repeat?
What is the air pollution now in Pune? Do you have
I did not get you.
Okay, no problem. Maybe you introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay. Yes, good evening, everyone. I'm Nidhi Jain from Pune, Maharashtra, India. And I'm a science educator at one of the reputed schools in Pune. It's in the western part of India. The name of the school is V.K. Patil Memorial School, and I took my students took part in NASA Rover Challenge in the year 2018. So I was there with Ralf sir, with the whole team of Ralf sir, and I have seen Cosma, I have seen Firin participating, and they are doing very nice job. I am really happy the way Ralf sir is grooming them. I wish we could have more collaborations after 2018, but I think there were some issues. So we could not team up, but definitely for future, we can look forward under Ralf sir guidance. India will also get champions.
Thank you, Nidhi. You have the best girl team from the world.
Yes, and I really am thankful to Navdeep sir also, because he was the first person who guided us, who helped us to participate. So I really help Navdeep sir and Navpreet ma'am. I don't know they are here or not, but definitely
Nidhi,
because
the time is over. Thank you. You have the best girl team. Yeah. Can you explain short which is the name of your school?
School name is V.K. Patil Memorial School.
V.K. Patil Memorial School. This is a nice school. What we have to visit. Okay. Thank you, Nidhi. We have Rafaela there. We have Rafaela. You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Short.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Rafa from Brazil. I created the team Space Supers Brazil, which is based on Colégio Santa Teresia in Brazil. And right now I'm in Germany, but the team is still work strong back in Brazil, having a lot of meetings and doing a lot of reports. Yeah, I think that this will be the 5th time we're going to another River Challenge. And yeah, really happy to have met Ralf in 2017. And yeah, the strong with this friendship, and happy to be here with this intercourse to SolidWorks.
Very, very nice. Thank you that you join us. You are in Berlin now. Yeah. Are you in good health, in good shape? Everything fine?
Yeah, everything's great.
So conditions are changing so a lot in the last 12 months. Also for us, challenge us. Yeah. And so we have it now 5 o'clock in Germany, in Berlin. What is the time in Mexico now, in Cuernavaca?
Right now it's 10 in the morning.
So you have units, David, with your students?
Yeah,
Where
I have
they are?
right now. What?
Where they are, the students now?
Yeah.
Are you in the classroom? Do you make presence or do you make online?
No, we are virtually united on.
Okay. So when you must leave us, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. I have to go right now to class because I'm the.
We will make SolidWorks for beginners. I think you don't need this.
Yeah.
No, thank you. But in the future, I want to invite students of you to take also teacher for young students in an age of between 10 and 12 and 13 years to teach them in SolidWorks.
Great.
Possible. No?
Thank you very much.
And we look forward to see you again and to make collaborations. No?
Yeah.
Thank you and cheers.
See you.
Thank you. See you.
Bye-bye. So, Rafaela, do you have a SolidWorks?
Sorry, not
do
really.
You have a SolidWorks program?
No, I will try to download it now and see if I can get a student subscription.
Okay. Today we make a short in a unit. Rafaela, you can look inside, but in the future, in the next week, we can share you a sponsored version for SolidWorks if you want to do that. There is Valeria, who is the teacher now. Hey, Valeria, take your hands. She is speaking for International Space Education Institute. She is the teacher today. I'm only the moderator. Then we have Cosma, and we have Verine, and we have Nidhi, who can look with us and start with the first units. I want to give the word now to Valeria. Where is she now? She's very big. Yeah. Okay. So, we had a very hard time in the last months, but we are still there, and we switch now a little bit from face-to-face and hands-on to online. But he holds the main goal, to teach everyone in space education. And now today is the first day that we start with CAD. We have a sponsorship with SolidWorks, and we can share the sponsorship with everyone who want to join us, want to join our institute worldwide. And now the first unit, and please, Valeria, this is your turn.
Okay, so hello everyone. Most of course, I will start in this course. It's for beginners in SolidWorks, so I will start from the basics. And Rafaela, I think you will not be able to download SolidWorks really fast, but you can look this time, and you can download it later with a license that Ralf will give you. Okay, so first of all, I would like to show you a video about what is SolidWorks, okay? So everybody can see my screen? You want to?
Please, would you arrange your mic? Your sound is not good.
Okay, yes. Now I'll play the video and everyone should listen.
SolidWorks provides dedicated tools and workflows that streamline the design and development of your products from concepts through to reality. Thousands of companies worldwide rely on SolidWorks to get their products to market on time and within budget. All great designs start with a great idea, and sketching in SolidWorks is simple and straightforward. Even the most complex ideas are easy to realize with instant feedback and standard tools at your fingertips. Intelligence is baked into SolidWorks, making it simple to create winning designs in record time. Essential features such as holes are easily created using the Hole Wizard. An extensive library of hole types and configurations is available at your fingertips, keeping your design consistent with company standards. Rapid design changes can get you ahead of the game when it comes to the competition. SolidWorks enables you not only to modify design dimensions, but also drag and drop geometry with a minimum of effort. Customers demand great-looking products, and SolidWorks provides powerful surface design tools to handle even the most complex shapes. Today's products also require a variety of other CAD capabilities. Take sheet metal part design, for example. Walls, hems, and forms are created with the usual consistent workflow that SolidWorks users love. Standard features can be dragged from a design library, reducing rework. Meanwhile, SolidWorks automatically keeps the flat pattern up to date for rapid distribution to manufacturing. The design of structures like this is both common and challenging. Dedicated tools and workflows within SolidWorks let you define structural members from industry standards, taking care of joints, welding data, and additional hardware. An accurate cut list is automatically created to keep scrap to an absolute minimum. SolidWorks takes care of even the most complex assemblies containing many thousands of parts. Components can be snapped together with a minimum of fuss while mimicking real-life behavior. Smart fasteners streamline the addition of hardware such as nuts, bolts, and washers. These automatically resize based on standards to fit the application. A great time saver. Understanding the performance of your ideas early in the design process can be crucial to a successful product launch. SolidWorks provides powerful tools to evaluate the design, giving you the confidence of getting to market ahead of time and with maximum quality. Incorporating electrical design into your SolidWorks mechanical design is seamless. SolidWorks understands the logical connections and physical wire routings needed to provide early and accurate harness design compared to manual guesswork and iteration. Routing pipework and ducting is both simple and powerful in SolidWorks. Standard fixtures and fittings provide a backbone for both solid and flexible pipes, giving you accurate routing and cut lengths to take to manufacture. When you are ready to document and detail your designs, SolidWorks makes things quick and simple. Starting with a standard drawing sheet, 2D views are snapped into place from the palette. Automatic projection views are created, and sections are as simple as drawing a line to define the section plane. Accurate dimensions can be taken straight from the 3D model or created with intuitive tools for additional placement and tolerancing. Assembly drawings contain accurate detail and prominent exploded views. Automatic bills of material and item balloons make understanding the design easy for manufacturing and suppliers. SolidWorks provides tools that help you develop great products faster. If you have a great idea for a design, SolidWorks provides everything you need to bring your designs to life in less time and at lower cost. This has been your first look at SolidWorks. For more information, contact your local reseller.
Okay. So here you have the introduction to SolidWorks. And what you saw in the video is all the capabilities that SolidWorks have. It's mostly that you can build 3D parts as a design and also make assemblies with these parts and also drawings, like engineering drawings. So you can create every part that you need, even if it's new or if it exists, you can create it in SolidWorks with different tools. Okay, so we will start looking at the basics of SolidWorks and also the main tools. So please, Firin and Rafaela, can you tell me if you have had any approach with SolidWorks and how many tools or which tools do you know?
Start?
Oh, sorry.
You can. Okay, so about 1.5 years ago, I had a scholarship at a company called PT Scientists, and it was our exercise to do some small parts in SolidWorks, but we never had a course or something. We learned the most stuff just by, trying it.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess for me, I have zero experience with SolidWorks, but I do have a little bit of experience with Fusion 360. So,
okay, that's really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes, it's actually really similar. Controls are a little bit different, buttons are different, but it's more or less the same logic of constructing and building things. Okay, so I'll also share my screen now. You should see my SolidWorks now. So I'm going to create a new part. Okay, to create a new part, I click here in the white page and click on part and OK. I have nothing right now, but I have a 3-dimensional space. This is important. You can see it here. I have y-axis, x-axis, and z-axis. Okay, so for building 3D parts, the first step is to make drawings in 2D. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to Sketch, which is here. And also then you must click in New Sketch, which is this button. Okay, so I'll click on this. And I can decide if I want to build my sketch in the front plane, in the top plane, or in the right plane. These are only 3D views, okay? So I'll choose right now top plane. So also I have nothing right now, but here in my menu, this is my main menu, you can see that I have many options like lines, I have circle, I have a curve, this is called spline. So I have many options for drawing. This is mostly for drawing 2D, okay? For example, the simplest tool that I can use is use a line. So I'll just click on the line and then I can start just clicking on it, and then I can build a line however I want. Okay, so now I'll do a horizontal line. Okay, that's good. And maybe I want to do a triangle. Okay, so I built 3 lines and I connected them. Hello, Jessica. Okay, so we have a sketch, but this is not a 3D part. This is only a drawing. You can see it's only in 2D. It's like a paper. It's plain, okay? So what I will do now is make it 3D. For making it 3D, I'll click on my main menu on Features. Features are all the 3D operations that we have. And the most basic is this one, extrude base, which means it will only give volume to what I have drawn. So I click on this one, and now I see a 3D view of my drawing. And I can give it more volume or less volume. It depends on what I need. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do it 50 millimeters. So I will write here 50. Great. And I'll click OK. And then we have a 3D form, okay, which is really simple, but this is the basics of all 3D parts that you need. And you can really create a lot of things only using these tools. Okay. Right now I'll delete this operation and show you more sketch tools. So I'll get back in the sketch. Now I have my 3 lines again. And okay, I'll get back to this point where we have more tools. The second tool, which is also very common, is do a circle. So for this I will select the center circle, which means I will click on the center like this. And then I will create a circle as big as I want to. So maybe I want a circle like this. And you can also create circles in other parts, for example here, or here. Or you can also make circles tangent with each other. For example, I want this circle to touch the other circle. So this is the basics. Now, if I want to delete something, I have 2 options. The first option is to select the thing that I want to delete. And you can see it gets in a light blue color. And then just click delete in your keyboard. So I deleted this, right? Or you can also use this tool, which you know it's like scissors icon. You click on it, then you can draw and then cross what you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this circle, so I will cross this and it is deleted now. We have also other tools. For example, if I wanted to make a square or a rectangle, then I will click on this one and then I will just click on it, and then I can create also a rectangle as long or as short as I want to. And you can also edit it. Even if you have created them, you can drag them and change them. For example, if I want to change this rectangle, then I'll click on this point and I can drag it and I can make it larger, I can make it higher, I can make it small. I can change it always. Or I can drag it from this point or from another point. So it's really easy to move. Maybe this circle, for example, I want to make it bigger or smaller, and I can also do this. Or I can use this triangle. Okay. So let's see. Maybe we can build an easy part so you can see also the 3D operations result. Okay, so right now I'm going to delete all of this, clicking delete in my keyboard. So I want to build a little house. So to make things easier, I will click on corner rectangle. Now start here, here's the origin, and I will make it this size. Okay, so now we have the basics of our house, and now I'm going to create a roof for the house. So I'll click on line, and I'll create a triangle using these lines. Like this, yes. And maybe I want to create a little door and a little window. So I will also use line. I create 3 lines here. maybe I use circle for the window. Okay, this is nice. So we must remember that this is not like drawing on paper. We need to SolidWorks to understand our language and to be able to make our drawings in 3D. So this drawing right now is not available on 3D. And if I try to extrude it, it will fail. Exactly. Because this is not a closed contour. What I mean by a closed contour, I mean like lines are connecting themselves like this. But here, for example, we have a line that it's crossing the middle part. So really, SolidWorks doesn't know what to do with this line. Sometimes we need to delete some lines in order to create the 3D parts. Okay, so right now I'm going to use Trim Entities tool, and I'll cut away this line. And now I have a complete house. And now I'm going to cut also this little part of the line, so we have also a door. Yeah, so right now you can see it's everything in gray, and it's all a complete region. It's not cutted inside by any lines, only this, but this is okay. Because, yeah, basically it's like hole in the house, okay? So right now I also can use features, also extrude. And you can see I have my 3D house here. This is only the preview. You can see it but because it's in yellow. And I can edit it, make it bigger. Maybe I want to make it, yeah, like this. Okay. Great, so I click OK. And then I have a 3D view of my house. Okay, so do you have any questions so far?
I'm Nidhi. I have one question.
Tell me, Nidhi.
The question is, this SolidWorks app, this particular, how do we download and from where do we download? And is it free?
Yeah, okay. I will show you how to download it now. So you must go to your navigator in the internet. And you can look for
Valeria.
Yes.
Nidhi, you will get from me a link. This is a sponsor link, what you can use, and then you get a download, and then you get an installation. And then when you have the installation, you will also be able to get an ID from us, a serial number, that you are allowed to use this as teacher. This is a sponsorship because every SolidWorks license has a cost of $15,000. And if you want to join this, so we are able to sponsor your school with 20 licenses. But you need the computers and you need the students who are interested in to do that. I know you are a good teacher and you will be able to give it forward to your students. Is this a good bit for you?
Thank you so much. Yes.
You understand this, yeah?
Yes. So this is not free, and this
SolidWorks is a very high-ranking engineer software. Every license has a cost of 15,000 euro. It is not free, but they can organize a sponsorship for your school for 20 licenses. 20 licenses. Is this okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Understood.
That's why I invited you, because you have one of the best teams of India. Don't be scary. Look what Valeria is saying. I make a record. I will share this video record, that you can download it, that you can understand every step again. And so we start in the next days regularly video unit, that you can join this also with your students. And in this time, you get from me the offer to install the sponsorship for SolidWorks. Okay? Yes, I think this is
Great.
Thank you.
Okay. Then, does anybody has any other questions so far?
You are teaching very nicely. All steps are very clear to us.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, then I will proceed with the next tools that we are going to be using, okay? So now you see, we have a 3D part, and I can move it, I can get into it, I can get outside, but it's all based in our 2D drawing, which we can find here. It's here, okay? You can see the blue lines, our original drawing. Okay, so this is important. We have also a menu here in this part, in the left part of our screen, and this is the operation tree. This means that everything we do is going to be listed here in order, and we can always edit, delete, or return to the operations that we make. Okay, so we have here our sketch 1, which is the sketch that we were doing, and also we have here in the extruding, which is the 3D operation for the sketch. And when we keep doing things, it will always appear here, okay? And also we have some planes here, front plane, top plane, and right plane. So it's basically 3D views of our part. So if we wanted to add something to this little house, then we will have to do a new sketch. Okay, we can do as many sketches as you need. So we will create a new sketch here in sketch, and then also click in new sketch. Okay, so now SolidWorks asks us, okay, where do you want to create your new sketch? Okay, so this is a point where we also must click a face or something that we have where we want to build a new sketch. So I'll click, for example, in this side. Okay, right now you don't see it, but this is the same house. It's just turned in the side. This is this house, but we will be working on this side. Okay, so maybe I want to create also a window here. Okay, no, maybe I want to create like some bushes. Okay, so we have also this tool, this called Spline, and it allows us to create more complex curves following a path of points that we make. Okay, so let me teach you. I'll click the first point. Now you see it's a straight line, but as long as I keep doing points, then we create a new line that is following always the points that we touch. Okay? And also we can edit these points, make it bigger, smaller, change it to whatever form it's good for us. Okay, so now I also want to do a closed contour. So I'll close this contour with also some lines. I'll click on line. And I want to make sure that this line touches this line. So I'll get closer to the line. And you can see it gets in an orange color. This means I am touching it. And I am getting closer to this point, which is also orange. So I am sure that I am sketching in that point and that I am touching that point. This is important because if I want to make a line here, then it is not a closed contour because there is a space here. And even if this line is really, really close to this, it's still not a closed contour. Okay, so we always want these lines to touch and to be closed. So I'm gonna make it again. I click on line. And then I get closer to this point. When it's orange, then I can click on it, and then I can create my line. Okay, I will also click on this point, and then on this point. Okay, so now we have a close contour, and you can see because it become like in a gray, in that gray color. And now I'm going to do a 3D operation again. I'm going to Features, Extrude Boss. Okay, and now I also have a 3D operation, and I can select how long do I want it. Maybe I want it like this. Okay, if I like it, and I confirm here in the bottom, okay. Then we have another part of our little house, but you can see that there are two different sketches. So we have our first sketch, which is in the house, and our second sketch, which is in bushes. Okay? So we will work more with some of the tools that we have for sketching. For this, I will get also again in another sketch. So if I want to do a new sketch, remember, I will click on Sketch, and also in this sketch